What up, good people? Today is 10-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about the signs of an AC leak in your vehicle. If your AC is not blowing cold like it used to, that is one sign of you have an AC leak or you need to recharge your AC. When you get in your car, it takes longer for the AC to start blowing cold. If that's the case, that means you have an AC leak or you need to recharge your refrigerant. But yeah, because you're gonna put that thing on full blast and it's maybe cooler outside and you're like, dang, I remember my AC would blow out freezing cold. So that is one of the signs that you may need to get your AC recharged or take it to your local dealership and see what's up. Another sign, if your AC compressor clicks, continue on clicking, like that is another sign of you have a low refrigerant, a AC leak, or you have no refrigerant in your vehicle. And like you can hear your compressor turns on, as in as soon as you turn the AC on, you can hear it clicks like that. If that's the case, you can still ride around getting it. But if you do not hear your AC compressor clicks on, take that thing to your local mechanic, your local dealership, and tell them, hey, my car blowing out hot air. I need it. So do not ignore it. A small AC leak today can turn into an expensive repair tomorrow. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.